Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can dress up as a blackbird on Dress to Impress. I am going to make, well, let me remove my face first. I am going to make the skin color black, and then I'll do the nails as well, though I don't think you'll be able to see them later. We do need the hot dog costume, so put that on and color it all black. You do need VIP for this, so this is just a quick heads up because you'll need the broom and the wings. Get this headband and you're going to color it orange for the beak. I'm just going to color it this orange, and then we are going to use the bear headband for the eyes. We're going to color it white and then black on the inside like this. Then we are going to get this hood and we're going to put that on, and we're going to just color that black. Look something like this for the face. The next steps require VIP. You will need the wings here. And then I am going to select this skirt in black. I'm just going to also make that matte. For the shoes, I think I might use the chicken feet that we have for this in orange as well. I'm gonna make that matte. I don't know why it's so glossy. I might add socks. I don't know how I was gonna, okay. I might add socks because I want it to be a little bit more full. Like that, yeah. Adding socks is the right decision. Last of all, we just need to get the broom, color it in all black, and toggle it to the walk. And that is how you can create this super cute black bird on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!